The only tools required for the ProLine step assembly are a drill and a 3/8" bit driver. Your ProLine steps arrive at your door pre-assembled and require only minimal finishing. Simply remove the packaging, then follow the easy steps we're about to outline. First, locate the hardware package that is taped to the angle iron near the bottom tread. Use a pocket knife or utility blade to carefully cut through the tape and remove the hardware package. Next, attach the H-brace to what is the underside of the top deck. Make certain that the top handrail receivers are facing you as you're standing behind the step's H-brace. Go ahead and secure the H-brace with the supplied hex screws. Now it's time to secure the angle iron pieces which comprise the base of the ProLine steps. Do this by lifting the angle iron up to align the pre-drilled holes. Secure the angle iron with a supplied screw and repeat on the other side. Now it's time to flip your ProLine steps over to their upright position. Be sure to use proper lifting technique by using your legs and not your back. Now it's time to install the sturdy prefabricated handrails. On the lower leg of one of the handrails, you'll find another package of hardware. Safely remove it with a pocket knife or utility blade. The handrails fit neatly into the 1 1/4" receivers welded to each side of your ProLine steps risers. Just work the handrails into the receivers, being sure to align the holes. Repeat this step for the handrails on the other side too. Secure both handrails with the supplied hardware. Be sure that all the screws are fully tightened in their respective pre-drilled holes. Your new ProLine steps are now complete. They should look like this if correctly assembled. It may be a good idea to double check the screws for good and secure fitment. If you've ordered your ProLine steps with a convenient wheel assembly package, you'll now see how to easily install them. No tools are required. The wheel assembly and supplied cotter pin are all you need, besides following these few steps. Firstly, be sure to position the U-collar end of the step wheel assembly inside the rear upright leg of your ProLine steps. Doing this makes the next steps much easier to perform. Now locate the open end of the 1" square tubing underneath the bottom step. Insert the 3/4" male end of the wheel assembly into the open end of the 1" square tubing as shown. Fit the wheel assembly's U-collared fastener end over the rear upright step support. Be sure to align the holes. Insert the supplied cotter pin through the aligned holes of both the steps and the wheel assembly. Secure the cotter pin with its integrated double wire snap. When correctly assembled, your ProLine steps with wheel assembly should look like this. Now you can tilt the weight of the steps back onto the wheel assembly and move them with the greatest of ease.